Well, it also comes down to having a plan. And so, for example, you read the question, and then you say, well, you make a short list of the legal rules that are at issue. All right, and so I'll just, it's in the example that I gave, it's a one issue problem. It's failure to disclose a material defect. I'll just say that's the legal rule. Okay, so you write that down. Now, writing that down is a big deal, because if you think that the real issue in the problem is the statute of frauds, and you write about the statute of frauds, you're not going to get any points for that. If you say the real issue is, well, was there some violation of the deed? Well, there's no violation of the deed at this point, because all we have is a real estate contract and we haven't gotten a closing. So knowing what the right legal rule is matters a great deal. And so, yes, being detail-oriented is important, but you also have to understand the big picture. What particular sorts of fact situations does this particular rule apply to? And you have to be able to recognize those fact situations when you see them. And the challenge in a law school setting is that day after day, week after week, the distinctions between a lot of the stuff can get kind of blurry. And so making sure that day by day, week by week, you understand the particular kinds of facts that a particular legal rule applies to is really, really important. And that's why the cases are so important that you read in law school, because they give you an idea of what the facts that are relevant to that particular legal rule actually fit, where the kinds of fact situations that legal rule fits.
Thanks for tuning into the show. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already to be notified of new episodes as I release them, and feel free to reach out if you need anything at all as you move forward with your prep. I'm happy to help however I can. In the meantime, I wish you all the best and take care.